Hi, I'm Connie DaSousa,
I'm John Jackson.
and we're in our restaurant CHARCUT Roadhouse in the University District in Calgary, Alberta.
We're co-chefs and co-owners of this beautiful restaurant.
And you're about to watch us make 175 pounds of sausage. It is sausage day today. Put the meat in whole, like a big chunk, and then we grind it out on a large die grinder. We used to do everything by hand. Yes, it was a little bit more artisan, I guess, but it would take us probably a week to do the preparation and the volume that we're doing now. So now we add the liquid, and we want to pour it in a slow stream so that it mixes evenly. And then we let this mix for about 10 minutes, and then we'll grind it out on the finer grind.
If you don't have this guard on here, meat will shoot out. And you don't want to get hit with meat.
For all of our sausage preparation, we're purchasing the shoulders, and we cut up the shoulders and grind them. So that's what you see right here. And the reason why we use shoulder is because it has the perfect amount of fat to lean meat ratio. It's usually 20% fat to 80% lean.
Okay, see it's on mix now. We're going to be mixing the spices. And then after we mix the spices for 10 minutes, we're going to end up grinding it out with the spice mixture. Right now, she's going to adjust the speed. It's a knee crank. So she's pushing with her knee, and then if she stops pushing with her knee, it doesn't come out. We have this little poker thing, and poking any little air bubbles out, and also the aid in the drying.
Some of them get cooked tomorrow, but anything that's dry cured would get hung in there, and so we can only do one recipe at a time.
Over 100 pounds of Pinocchiona. This is a dry cured salami, never been heat processed. It's been in there almost a month now. In another 5 days, we're going to be testing it, lab testing it. All of our meats get tested.
And that machine is loaded with all of our
Recipes for salami.
Yeah.
There's lots of science. I mean, for this to, there needs to be a culture that's added to the meat. And there's an incubation period when you first start the process. So it's a 48-hour incubation where the culture takes, and when the culture takes, it actually drops the pH in the meat, so it becomes acidic enough to be shelf stable once it has the correct water activity and dryness.
I think that the intensity that you need to run a restaurant is needed, and we both have a history of being very intense early on in our careers, but as time has gone on, 14 years in the business, I think some of that intensity has relaxed as well. But you need the intensity for certain parts of the business. Like when you're on the line and when you're in the restaurant during service, everything is very time bound, and you need to be intense. You need to be on, and
you need to have fun doing it.
Yeah.
And I tell you, if you taste food that's made by somebody that's not happy and not enjoying what they're doing, it doesn't taste good. And that's one thing. We will check ourselves if we're not feeling it. And we need to be in the right mindset to be able to be at work and to be able to lead the team. That's something that we've really understood and got to know very. It's a critical part of the business.
Happy chefs make happy food.
They do.
Good tasting food.
Yeah, they really do.